Are you looking for the best treadmills for home? In this video we will look at some of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Soul Fitness F80 Folding Treadmill. In the first place, we have the Soul Fitness F80 Folding Treadmill, our pick for the best overall treadmill for home use. You can get it for around $2,000. Some of the Soul F80's stellar highlights include a roomy 22 by 60 inch running deck suitable for all the family, a commercial standard 3.5 horsepower motor that can support running as well as walking, and a 15% power incline to develop your lower body. For entertainment and workout stats tracking, you will have a 9-inch LCD with 10 preset programs so you can diversify your training. There's also a built-in tablet holder for docking your device, as well as Bluetooth music and stats tracking. Do you like to keep track of your fitness progress? The free Soul Fitness software allows you to track your stats and sync your workout data with your favorite fitness app, such as Fitbit, Record, or Apple Health. The best treadmills for home use and senior walking. Numerous users can use the F80, and multiple results can be saved. On the F80, you can monitor your heart rate using either touch sensors on the handlebars or a wireless chest strap, which is included with the purchase. The chest strap wirelessly connects to the display and provides a more accurate reading than the handlebars. At number 2, NordicTrack Commercial 2950 Treadmill. The second product on our list is the NordicTrack Commercial 2950. The Commercial 2950 treadmill is the highest grade commercial treadmill in NordicTrack's line of commercial grade treadmills that are also suitable for home usage. It has a powerful motor and a console that can be adjusted in height for increased convenience. It has a CHP Dirks commercial motor with a constant horsepower of 4.25. This treadmill offers a smooth and silent workout thanks to its huge 2.5-inch rear rollers. You can quickly adjust your speed from 0 to 12 miles per hour and your incline from 0 to 15% with the one-touch buttons. It also comes with a 3% reduction dot with the power adjustable console. These controls are always within reach. During your workout, the console height can be automatically adjusted to keep the display, heart rate sensors, and fan at the ideal position. The 2950's massive 22-inch touchscreen display and wide range of coaching options will attract anyone. This treadmill is designed to keep you jogging rather than watching TV or listening to music. It gives you a natural sense of speed and inclines. To do so, the treadmill connects to the iFit programming platform, which offers video lessons from instructors like Tommy Rivers Pusey, an elite runner. His guided run across Patagonia takes you along beautiful trails as the machine adjusts the incline and speed for a realistic experience. The best treadmills for home use and senior walking. Its huge display makes it easy to forget you're locked in your basement. Best commercial electric treadmill with auto incline for an apartment or home use, around $3,000. At number 3, Wesler Cadence G 5.9 Treadmill Series. Fourth on our list is the Wesler Cadence G 5.9. For those on a tight budget, the Wesler Cadence G 5.9 is a great option. This treadmill has a lot of features and some fantastic technology for a lower price than other models. The machine has 6 pre-programmed personal trainer programs to help you mix up your workout routine. It also offers 2 manually adjustable incline positions and comfort cell cushioning to decrease the impact on your joints. With a track size of 16 by 50 inches, this treadmill is ideal for walking. The motor produces 2.25 horsepower and can reach a top speed of 10 miles per hour. The best treadmills for home use and senior walking. It also includes a heart rate monitor that you may use by placing your thumb on the sensor to check your intensity. Speed, time, distance, and calories burned are all tracked on the LCD panel. Best budget treadmill for apartment or home use under $500. Continuous horsepower, CHP. is a term used in the treadmill industry for consumer comparison purposes. The CHP rating is measured in laboratory testing using a dynamometer, which measures the mechanical power of the motor. The CHP rating does not denote the operational horsepower of the treadmill in ordinary household use. In ordinary household use, the motor does not operate at the horsepower shown. At number 4, Horizon Fitness T101 Treadmill. The fifth product on my list is the Horizon Fitness T101 Treadmill series. My option for the best value treadmill. Horizon Fitness sells low-cost treadmills and other fitness equipment for the home. Its entry-level T101 treadmill comes in at just $650. Making it one of the best-selling models in the industry. It's a great treadmill for folks who prefer walking or light to moderate exercises and want a machine that's easy to store thanks to its compact, foldable design. An incline, a Bluetooth sound system, 9 built-in training programming options, and a decent warranty are just a couple of its best features. The Horizon T101 has 3 red LED windows where you can track calories, distance, heart rate, incline, speed, and time using the target exercise LED indicators. For entertainment, the T101's speakers allow you to listen to music by connecting your device to the audio jack or by using Bluetooth to connect to the T101. When it comes to comfort, the T101's 3-zone variable response cushioning technology is kind on your knees and ankles. Furthermore, its fan ensures a longer workout by keeping you cool even during the most intense exercise. The T101 treadmill features a 2.5 CHP motor, 20 inches by 55-inch running surface, pulse grip heart rate monitor, and 9 built-in workout programming options. A feather-light folding system and a 3-zone variable response cushioning system are also included. Best affordable treadmill for home use under $700. At number 5, Echelon Stride Treadmill. Next, the treadmill on our list is the Echelon Stride, with a price of around $1,300. Our option for the best smart treadmill. The Echelon Stride treadmill is designed with a modern sensibility. This treadmill not only has a huge touchscreen display with Bluetooth, but it also folds up automatically at the push of a button, allowing you to wheel it into any corner of the room. It isn't the most powerful treadmill on the market. It has a 1.75 CHP motor, for example, but it does have a top speed of 12 miles per hour and a maximum incline of 10%. By hiring skilled trainers and delivering excellent training sessions that keep you going even when you're exhausted, Echelon has gained popularity in the market. The unit will take up a 10 by 24-inch footprint in your space when placed against a wall. It can also tuck this treadmill under bed if you have around 10 to 11 inches of clearance underneath. The Stride treadmill is small for a treadmill, but it's sturdy and doesn't rock from side to side when you run on it. It has a 55 by 20-inch running deck and can accommodate up to. The Stride has an 18.5-inch touchscreen on which you can view your calories burned, distance, incline, time, pace, pulse, speed, steps, and access quick speed and inclines controls. The quick speed buttons on the right side of the console let you set it at 1.8, 3.7, or 5.6 miles per hour with a single tap. The quick auto incline controls on the left side let you set it to levels 3, 6, or 9 with a tap. The Stride has up and down incline buttons on the left handlebar and up and down speed buttons on the right for more granular settings, in addition to the on-screen quick controls. Heart rate sensors are also embedded into the handlebars. When you're working out, there are 2 water bottle holders so you can keep your water, phone, and small items like your AirPods case close by. Best auto folding underbed treadmill for home use under $1,500. At number 6, NordicTrack Commercial 1750 Treadmill. Up next is the NordicTrack Commercial 1750. The NordicTrack Commercial has always been a great value for money. It has all of the convenience features found on NordicTrack machines, such as fast buttons that allow you to jump to a specific speed or incline with a single tap. However, thanks to its larger touchscreen and ever-growing library of trainer-led workouts, you're less likely to need those speed adjustment buttons. The NordicTrack Commercial's 10-inch screen has twice the amount of real estate as the previous model. The best treadmills for home use and senior walking. The 22 by 60-inch running surface is big enough for high-speed intervals underfoot, and the machine's deck remains stable as the speed is increased. The underfoot cushioning is slightly bouncy, but it's adjustable so you can firm it up a bit, and the machine responds rapidly to adjustments in speed and incline. The 3.75 chp Dirks Commercial Plus motor on the NordicTrack Commercial reduces motor noise and has self-cooling technology. It's ideal for jogging, walking, and running in the comfort of your own home. Best commercial series treadmill for home use under $2,000. The Commercial 1750 Smart Treadmill includes a 30-day IFIT family membership that complements your workout and provides professional fitness training in your home. Use your treadmill's immersive 10 HD touchscreen to browse a vast library of studio classes and global workouts, each led by a knowledgeable iFit trainer who automatically adjusts your speed and incline to optimize your exercise.